I know who it is, your boy Chippy, come to y'all with another how-to. We have a 2002 Mercedes C-Class, and we're going to be taking this radio out. So first things first, what we have to do is lift up this little trim piece, take your panel removal tool, and just kind of pop it up. It's only held in by like these little push tabs right there all over. Now you want to take it up, but you don't want to remove it, because we can just keep that as is. What we want to do next is come up here and pull off the center console trim. Now before you start yanking, what I do is I come up front, pop that clip up like that, and you want to slide it forward. So slide it forward just like that, and then we're just going to slide it around our trim. Boom. Alright guys, so now that we have that off, one thing that we want to do is take this, the next thing we want to do is take this ashtray off. So if you see this tab right here is actually inside this hole. So we want to come behind that and pop it forward and kind of lift up like that. We want to come and do the same thing on the other side, go on the back. Forward just a tab, and that's gonna Alright, so the next dumbest thing that you have to do with this, you see these vents? So these vents have little screws behind them. In order to get to that vent, you have to lift it up. But you see how this can't go no more than that right there? What we have to do, see these tabs? We take this small screwdriver, flathead preferably, and you want to pull that tab out to the right and lift up at the same time in some little freaking sequence deal. There we go. Boom. Push it in. Both of them will go straight to the right, and we're gonna get that T15 out. Way to go, Mercedes, on making this as stupid as possible. All right, guys, so just like we had to make those go up, we have to make them come down as well. So I'm gonna see if I can show you a little bit better how I did it. Stick your screwdriver in here on this tab, and we wanna pull it outward and slide it down, and that's gonna take it right there. And Mercedes, you have won the award for the dumbest way to put a freaking AC vent in. So basically, you got these clips, right? And it's probably best to see it. So somebody already broke this one. It was not me. But either way, this one wasn't there. That's why it was easiest to come out. You also have a push clip right here, a push clip right there, and a push clip right there. Those things are gonna hold on to these little ridges right here, and it's gonna snap in place. And since this is the only side that I actually had one on, what I had to do was take my screwdriver and push this downward, push that down that way in order for it to get off of this ridge. And then you have some screws that's in here. This has no screws, so it's a little loose, and it's probably gonna be some Torx that's gonna be up under here. Yep, so we got one Torx on that side, and then we have another Torx that's on that side. So let me take those two out. All right, y'all want to hear some buzz? Let's get ready to hear some buzz. So I took out those screws, that one and that one. But do you see this right here? This freaking metal clip. This is holding the mother effing dash together. So let me put it back in focus. So what I'm gonna try to do is grab like my small screwdriver, whatever little tool. I'm gonna try to come in and pop that little metal piece down. Voila. So with that being said, I ain't even need to take them freaking screws out. Well, it's all good. I am the guinea pig for you guys. So I hope by my mistakes, dang, my elbow, my freaking damn ashy, dude. Hopefully you guys learn from my mistakes. There we go. Come on now, brother. Yes, indeed. All right, y'all. Lastly, and hopefully, only thing we gotta do is take these doggone screws out. Everything so far has a god Dang it. Please don't drop that one. Jesus Christ. Alright, y'all, so I just got done taking all these ugly ass harnesses out for this ugly ass radio. I'm all the way upset. This has probably been the most frustrated I've ever been taking out a radio because Mercedes is all the way stupid. But hopefully I've actually taught you guys something. All the parts will be in the description below. Let me try to wire this thing up and I'll come back to you here in just a second. Alright, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. It's been a really pain in my neck, so I'm ready to get this thing up out of here. Until next time, this your boy JP signing out. If you guys want to see how to hook up a CD player, hit that card over there in the corner. I'll try to have all the links to the descriptions down, links to the parts that you need in the description below. Till next time, it's JP signing out. Peace.